how many people sing that song when they come through that tunnel and see that sign.
I don't know.
At least those of you who remember that song. John Denver. May he rest in peace. Good morning. It's 7 a.m. and we are hitting the road. Last night when we left you, we had a great evening. Nice cool temperatures last night. Great sleeping weather. Actually had to pull out the big blanket last night with the windows wide open and just enjoyed the cool breeze and just getting some good night's rest last night. Today we are running up to Dayton, Ohio, where we can make it over to the National Air Force Museum tomorrow. So getting an early start today, heading out. Got a fuel stop coming up and be just trucking on up through West Virginia and then into Ohio. Probably about, I'm guessing 8 hours today maybe. Hopefully it'll be less than that. But we'll bring you some views along the way. I hope you enjoy it. And if we see anything interesting, we will let you know. Kim, anything to add? Nope. Okay. We'll see you on the road. West Virginia. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Lots of red brick, just green grass, and it's amazing. Definitely some history here. Counting the number of states we've been through since we left 6 weeks ago or so. I think we're going to confirm this, but to date we've been through 20 states. We just crossed over into Hawaii. Yeah, we just crossed over into Hawaii. You know where my mind is. That would be a wet ride. Anyways, we just crossed over into Ohio, which would have been the 20th state. But I'm going to confirm that number, and it's pretty easy knocking off states back here in the east because you can cover 3 or 4 states in one day.
What we did today.
Dayton, Ohio on the horizon. Alright, spending the next couple nights at the KOA Holiday. Gonna check in. Man, this place is nice.
Everybody's favorite, or blind side as they say. Okay, straightening it out. It's kind of tight in here. Looks pretty good. What do you think?
Let's put the block in there.
Okay.
Ran into some new Delta owners here with their brand new Alliance first trip out. Good for them. told him to get hooked up on Facebook so it can stay in touch with all the rest of you Delta owners out there. And we are right across the road. Oh, there's a wild mugs. And another Alliance in the park. Whoop whoop, go Alliance. Tonight on the menu is corn on the cob and turkey burgers. How'd you make those?
Got turkey, cilantro, amino acids, onions, garlic, breadcrumbs. I do have an egg in there. And actually I didn't do breadcrumbs this time. I did panko because we were out of breadcrumbs, but I think they're forming up very nice.
So we'll take these out and we will do little smashed turkey burgers on the Blackstone.
Yeah.
Smells yummy.
That's one of the ones, I really love these. So we'll see what happens.
And Alliance windows for the win again. Oh, and there's Muggsy.
That was with the doggy in the window.
Doggy in
How
the
much is
window.
that doggy in the window?
Doggy in the window. Say hi to your fans, Muggs. He's saying hi, wagging his tail. Nice KOA park. Nobody can park behind us because there's a little cabin back there.
A little warm, that's why we're in here.
It is a little bit warm out there. Got the fan going. Move some air in here. Let's go check out the Blackstone setup. Got the Blackstone ready to go. Once Kim gives me the word to fire up the Blackstone, we will get this going and get those turkey burgers on the grill and get them crisping up. Have you ever wondered how to get this black stuff off your slide outs? Here's the secret. WD-40 and a paper towel. Take the paper towel, put some WD-40 on it, put it up here, and this stuff comes off like magic. That's all there is to it. And there it is. And you might be asking what the pledge is for. The pledge I use to lube the slide out so that it doesn't cause friction with the gasket. Spray a little of that on there, and it helps lube the gasket so when you're going down the road you don't destroy your gasket. Pledge works great. A little olive oil. Give them a good smash, and we'll just let those cook for a little bit. Let them get crispy on the other side. Went for the flip. Nice and golden. Look at those. Can you smell that? A little longer and they will be done. Those look tasty. What do you think, Muggs? Yeah? Hey, those look good? You like those? Updating our map list: Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina. South Carolina, we love you. Myrtle Beach, Very nice place on our hit list. West Virginia, absolutely gorgeous. Such a pleasant, peaceful state, just amazing. So as of this evening, we've been through 20 states, and we still have to get from Iowa all the way back to California. So pretty amazing thinking that we've already been through 20 states, almost half of our union. Up here in this northeast corner, we're going to do something different coming up on that. Stay tuned for that. And we're going to do these pickups here next January on our way out to the Tampa RV show. We're going to come out and hit and pick up Kansas City, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Alabama. So stay tuned for that as well.
What about the top one? I can't see it.
North Dakota.
Yeah.
North Dakota we are going to hit when we go back to Glacier National Park, and then we're going to zip across, pick up North Dakota, and then we'll go back to California from there. So that'll get all contiguous 50 states. Then we have to work on Alaska and